Common signal words which can help you present information clearly. 1. Time. At that time, on review today, on consultation today, recently, over the past 3 weeks. 2 weeks later, on her next visit, during, since that time, initial examination on. 2. Location. During hospitalization, initial examination at my clinic revealed, on examination. 3. More information, also, apart from this, along with. 4. Contrast, however, despite, although. 5. Result, therefore, consequently, as a result, for this reason. 6. Emphasis, please note, kindly note, please note that. 7. Subject, in terms of her social history, with regard to her medication. Based on the blood test results, regarding her medical history, her dental history shows, the risk factors include. 8. Advice, it is important to, please ensure that. 9. Chronology, firstly, secondly, initially, today. 10. Commonly used connectors. However. Even though. Although. 11. Adding information. Along with. Apart from this. 12. Normal letter connectives. Post-operatively, whilst in our care, during hospitalization, on following days, on subsequent days, on following visit, on next visit, on whose next visit, presently, currently. 13. Connecting previous info with next information. Subsequently, as a result. Therefore. 14. Discharge paragraph. Upon discharge, upon referral, in view of the above, it would be appreciated